Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2019 Kenworth W900 factory-built glider kit. Built with a 6NZ cat, 13-speed, 46 rears, full lockers, and a wet kit. It's only got 402,000 miles. Southern truck, no rust. Got it hot this morning. Going to do a full walk around, show you blow-by, engine compartment, everything that you'd want to see on the outside, and finish up on the inside. Let's go ahead and get started. Blow-by looks good, engine compartment's clean, no body damage anywhere. You have a few minor scratches just in the paint there, but nothing to call body damage. So. Grill looks good, bumper's straight. Steers are in good shape. You have a factory split tank here for your wet kit. It's nice to have. Back of the cab looks good. Got new drives, new weight 46,000 suspension. New brakes. Frame rail's nice and clean. Tanks are in good shape, steps are in good shape. Love the extended cab on a truck like this, gives you some extra room. The whip kit tower. Lockers, extra gauges. See the operating temps up. Great low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs. And oil pressure climbs accordingly. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call. 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.